Happy Friday, everybody. Today is Fact Friday, and the topic is inflammation is silently slowing your metabolism. You've been cutting carbs, eating clean, and still feel like your metabolism is stuck in low gear. Chronic inflammation might be the culprit. You see, inflammation isn't always obvious. You might not have swelling, redness, or pain that's visible, but under the surface, your body could be fighting a constant fire. And that fire, it can slow down your metabolism and make fat loss harder and drain your energy. When we hear the word inflammation, we typically think of acute inflammation, like when you cut your finger and it's your body's repair system. And that's true in the short term and healing. But if inflammation becomes chronic, it's different. That's when your immune system stays switched on because of constant triggers like high carb processed foods, seed oils, poor sleep, or excessive stress. And here's the problem. Inflammation messes with insulin signaling. And when your cells don't respond well to insulin, your body stores more energy as fat and burns fewer calories at rest. In other words, your metabolic engine runs slower. So you might know it as stubborn belly fat, feeling tired even after a full night's sleep, joint stiffness, brain fog, or frequent sugar cravings. These are red flags that your body is in an inflammatory state, even if the doctor says your labs are normal. So here's the good news. You can put the fire out. Cutting sugar and refined carbs is step one, and very powerful actually. Prioritizing whole nutrient-dense foods like fatty fish, grass-fed beef, and low-carb veggies gives your body the building blocks to heal. And getting enough quality sleep, that's a tough one, I know, but that's really, really important. People underestimate it. Staying hydrated and managing stress are just as important. I go way deeper into the science and exactly how to reverse inflammation in my full-length video. If you're ready to kickstart your metabolism again, watch that next. So tap the link in the description to see the full breakdown. Watch next, The Truth About Carbs, Why They Trigger Inflammation. That's my in-depth breakdown of the science behind chronic inflammation, and it gives you a really good understanding. And if today's tip helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone who's frustrated about their slow metabolism. I'll see you in the next video.